All right, let's look at this first question. So this is an example of what a question would look like on your unit assessment and how you are going to be assessed over understanding a collection of coins and being able to count them, okay? So Tommy needs 40 cents to buy a pencil. Which set of coins equals 40 cents? Well, we just got done talking about hairy money, so we're going to continue doing that, okay? We're going to keep on practicing counting our coins using hairy money. So I'm going to model that for you guys. Tommy needs 40 cents. That's how much I know that my amount of coins needs to equal. So let's start counting. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. This is 60 cents, okay? That does not equal that, all right? 60 cents is not the same as 40 cents. So let's count this next one, letter B. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. That works. But we're not done. We still have 2 other answer choices, and we're going to go through all of them to make sure that we didn't make a mistake somewhere. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Last one. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Your correct answer is letter B. So you're going to practice doing this on your next 2 slides. And I know that you might not be able to draw on your Chromebook. So if you have a quarter, I want you to use a whiteboard or a piece of paper. And you're going to model this. And let me show you really quickly what I want that to look like, okay? You don't have to show it to me, but this is going to help you make sure you get the right answer. So Lexi gave a clerk $1 and received 24 cents in change. Which set of coins equals 24 cents? Well, if you can't draw your coin, if you can't draw your nickels and dimes and things like that, you can just do a circle and write a 10 in there. That represents a dime, okay? So like letter A, this is what it would look like. And then a penny and just 1. And now you can use hairy money to represent you counting your coins. Okay, that's what I want you to do for this slide and the next one. So 2 questions, you're going to be drawing your coins like this, all right?